हो रहा है 12:30 और आज स्टैंड नहीं है तो हम बिना स्टैंड के पढ़ेंगे, लेकिन पढ़ेंगे। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट। यहाँ ठीक है ना। As mentioned previously, general purpose application include word processor, spreadsheet. 12:26 तो मतलब 12:31 तक। Flexible and widely used software tools. All types of people and organizations use word processor to create memos, letters, reports, and faxes. Organization create newsletter, manuals, and brochures to provide information to their customers. Students and researchers use word processor to create reports, document, guidelines, etc. Microsoft Word is the most widely used word processor. Other popular word processor include Google Document, Core, Word Perfect, OpenOffice Writer, and Apple Pages. Assume that you have accepted a job as advertising coordinate for the adventure travel tours and travel agencies specialize in active adventure vocation. Your primary responsibility are to create and coordinate the company's promotional materials, including flyer and travel reports. To see how you could use Microsoft Word as advertising coordinator for adventure, travel tour, and etc. स्पेल चेकर मतलब correcting spelling and typing errors identified by the spelling checker. Create an error-free, professional-looking document. Center alignment. All of the text in the flyer creates a comfortable, balanced appearance. Font type and font size. Using interesting fonts and large font size in the flyer littles grab the reader's attention. Character effect. Adding character effects such as bold and color make important information stand out, make the flyer visually more appealing. Creating report. Your next assessment is to create report on, और इसमें रिपोर्ट बनाना है Spreadsheet organize and analyze and graph numerical data such as budget and financial reports. Once used exclusively by the accounts, spreadsheets are now widely used in nearly all professions. Marketing professionals analyze sales trend. Financial analysts evaluate and graph stock market trends. Students and teachers record grades and calculate grade point average. The most widely used spreadsheet program is Microsoft Excel. Other spreadsheet applications include Corel, Quidro Pro, Google Sheets, and OpenOffice Clark. Assume that you have just expected a job as manager of the Projecta Internet Cafe. This is a unique cafe that offers a variety of coffee and snack and also free internet access. As a manager, one of your responsibilities to create a financial plan for the next years. To see how you code Microsoft Excel as manager for the Projecta Internet Cafe. Creating a sales forecast worksheet. Worksheets are used for a wide range of different applications. One of the most common uses is to create, analyze, and forecast budget. Text entries. Text entries provide meaning to values in the worksheet. The row identify various sales and expense. The column specify the month. Cells can contain levels, number, formulas, and function, and cells contain each indicated by the row and column levels. For example, cell D15 contain a number for the payroll expense expected the March. Function. One advantage of using function rather than entering formulas is that they are easier to enter in the case Cell C20 total expense on February contain the function sum rather than the formula. Formulas provide way to perform calculate in the worksheet. This is a case. Cell B22 net income for journey contains the formula B12. Analyze your data. After presenting the first quarter forecast of owner, you revise the format and expand workbook to include worksheet 2 for each quarter and annual forecast summary. You give each worksheet a descriptive sheet name at the request of owner. You perform a what if analysis to test the effect of different estimates for payroll, and you use a chart to visualize the effect. Workbook. The first worksheet is the workbook. Each obtain a summary of the following worksheet. In the case, the first worksheet present the entire year's forecast and subsequent worksheet provide the details. Sheet name. Each worksheet has quite unique sheet name to make the worksheet easy navigate. It is too good practice to always use simple yet descriptive names for each worksheet. What if analyze is very powerful and simple tool for test the effect of different assumptions in a spreadsheet chart. Once data is entered in the worksheet, it is very easy to chart the data. All you need to do is select the data and to chart, select the chart type and add some descriptive text. Goal seek. A common goal is many financial workbooks. It is to achieve a certain levels of profit. Goal seek always you to set a goal and then will analyze other parts of the workbook that will need to be adjusted to meet the goal. इसको कल खत्म